know that guy with the red truck. I just wonder if he crawls into the back and it's like a little house in there. They put a trailer by my friend's car over there. Oh, they must have busted him. This clown face. Somebody's business alarm is going off. It might be the bank. The guy usually parks this big trailer over here, and then he bought a boat, and he's from Ohio. And he was parking this huge pontoon boat over here. You know what? That sounds like the alarm to the gas station. So I guess he's moved it because he thought it was a really cool idea to store that crap for free. You know what? That is the store. That's the store's alarm. Jesus. I wonder how long that's been going. 11 o'clock? There might be somebody in there. Because usually they're still here. And they're not finished cleaning and stuff. But everything's closed up. Man, I hope they're okay. Because that doesn't make any sense. Nobody closes that quick over there. Let me see if that... There's a handicapped guy that works this place. Let me see if his car's over there. They're usually not out that quick. I've seen them clean until about midnight. No car. Maybe they got somebody new that closed. That alarm's going off. I'm sure the sheriff's are gonna have fun with that. My buddies are here. About to go say hi to him. I don't see his bad boondockers yet. There's a big camper back over here. I'll talk to you guys later. I love you.